Good day, sir. This is Discipline Matingal, and this is my answer for the assessment week 2. For number 1, primary kay makita na ako siya legitimate source kay naaman siya sa akong pag-interview. And for number 2, yes, it is authentic because whenever she explains, I can see her feeling overflow when she talk about her past. And for number 3, yes or no because what she experienced in the past doesn't represent all the Filipinos in early days and because one cannot represent all. And for number 4, last number, yes because learning about the past, we will learn what is the condition in the early days and might be learn something that doesn't exist through these days. And that's all, sir. Thank you.